morning world. How are you, my beautiful friends? My name is Francis Tito and it's a beautiful Monday morning. I just woke up and I'm coming live from my village here in Africa. This is my workplace. This is where my business is, and today I've decided to go on a walk for like 5 hours. 5 hours. I really hope it will not be long. Yes, as we try to document our days, as we try to work hard and at least publish at least a video daily, yeah, you know, because I believe, and you guys, you know, that content is key. So imagine, I just realized that I have not carried the charger for my camera, and yesterday at night the lights were out, so we had a blackout and I didn't charge my camera. So what I'll do, I'm thinking of placing a call, and then I see where I can whether I can be brought my charger. So I managed to come back home and get these cables or these chargers here. So I have this one, and I have together with my camera is charging from this power bank. So but I've made a commitment that this cable will never lack in my carry-on bag, you know. So, and you can see the sun now is rising, so I'm positive we'll have more clearer videos and beautiful videos. So please stick around and we'll see you in a bit. Time is really moving on fast because it's 8:51 in the AM. So I've lost cover for like 1 hour because I was to start the vlog at 7 AM in the morning, and yeah, because of those hitches, this is where we like beginning the journey. I'm excited to try this journey today. Yesterday I was on a Sunday. Today, you understand, it's on a Monday. Today is Monday. On which date? Let me see. Today is on Monday, 3rd of April. And so yesterday was on a Sunday, and it was a bit calm. I didn't go to film, so I didn't make it to go out and film. And today was a must for me, so waking up early to these sites is great for me, and today is a promising day. I hope you will enjoy the vlog, guys. You can hear the ambience, you can hear the natural sounds of birds in this forest here. Wow, 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 wow. Let me find a way here. Let me walk you through this forest. I'm not very far from the tarmac, so don't you worry about my safety. It's just in a bit to like soak, yeah, to soak in the nature, you guys, you know. Yeah, so epic sight from the forest. So what do you think, guys? So there is like a trail along this forest. So this is a beacon, and this basically this one projects projects where the highway or the tarmac road where it's supposed to be, like the width, and this is GOK, so that's government of Kenya. So I'm in government land here, and some litters all over. So people are doing a bad job here, littering in the forest, which is not quite a good thing, because it might cost our nature, you know. Plastic is harmful to even the environment itself. So wow, what a lovely moment to just trek along here. You can see the forest has very huge trees. Yeah, you can see. Wow. Wow. is another beacon like the one I had showed you, and I'm about to go into the main highway. So this is where we'll do our walk, and hopefully guys, I don't know whether the noise will be too much, so I'll just go on filming and we will see the final video. I hope it will please you guys, and wow. Hey. So it's 9 a.m. in the morning, so we are walking straight for 5 good hours. So it will be like, what time? That will be 14 hours, or that will be 2 in the PM. Guys, you can see some tourist vans, and I know they are all headed to the Masai Mara. Come on, see that stretch of this beautiful forest. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Guys, like some loaded motorbike that is transporting, that is charcoal, I believe. Yeah. So guys, I've always like wondered, you see, here in Kenya, the driving laws or the driving rules are that you should always keep left as the driver, okay? So all the vehicles that are moving into the direction that I'm advancing, they use that lane there, okay? So, and the oncoming traffic uses this lane, because this is my right hand, so facing like this way, this will be their left hand, where they should always like keep left. So somebody told me, I remember a friend of mine told me, like, when you're doing traffic like this, you should see the oncoming traffic, like you should always be seeing them, so that you can be in a better position. So that you can be in a better position in case of anything, you know. Yeah, so that you can be in a better position. Like to see the oncoming traffic, and then you can react just in case of anything, isn't it? So I don't know if it's the wise thing to do, because like there's no protection to walkways. uh, not many developments for walkways for passengers on foot, you know. Yeah, yaje wera tu fiti. So I just hope I'm walking on the right lane. Yeah, and then I'll like keep a distance so that we can be safe, guys, for next 5 good hours. Okay. This is the magical Kenya, and I told you guys that I'll be doing more of this. Like right now, being 9 in the morning, I'll be at my workplace, but I decided to change things, and we see. And it seems like these trees fall more often. I wonder if it's natural. Let me show you what I'm seeing here. You see, like these trees here. Can you see? It has even left a trench. These are its roots, and falling by the road. Several others around. There's another, that's 2, 3, another one, 4. So I wonder if this could be due to human interaction, but I highly doubt. Yeah. You can see. I really wonder what has caused all this damage. Or maybe some trucks veered into these bushes or forest. Yeah, so let's head on. Something interesting, guys. Look at this tree here. Wow. It's so old that the trunk has like rotten, and it has created this beautiful curve here. You can see. This, you can hide here when it's raining, you know. Yes. So a very beautiful trunk here. I want to take a picture from here. Guys, when you see some things like this, what comes in your mind? Come on, look. This one reads mashallah, mashallah, like amen, or it will be, or yeah, God will, yeah, God willing. Yeah. So this road, however beautiful the scenes look, or how much the sceneries are, there are fatalities on this road as well, because the business that goes on here of trucks and cars, at times they experience accidents along this road. So even as I get to show you guys, so remember these guys, and you can wow, a beautiful trailer right there, which is modified. Yeah, so remember these guys as well. So I carried along with me some sweets to take me along the journey, but now guys, it's like I'm consuming too much of my budget. Yeah, let me take the last one, I promise. Okay, the last one. There is a Kenya police patrol base around here. I think it's because of the forest. Yeah. Yeah, I think basically it's because of the forest, or the manning the activities on this road. Maybe, I'm not sure. Guys, on my journey I'm staying hydrated thanks to my impulse buying. Because I didn't actually know that I'll need this hydration back. So I'm carrying like 2 liters of water in my backpack, and anytime I feel like you know, I want to stay hydrated, so I'm learning so much on my experiences, yeah, along the way, and I like the progress, guys, yeah, of me basically I'm learning so many lessons along the way, but too much noise on the way, guys. And yeah, let's walk. We are now clocking 1 hour. It's 9:54 in the AM. We are still moving, guys. I need us to talk, guys, but I can't seem to find a quiet place so that we can speak a little bit. But I'll alert you in a few, guys. So let me find a place where I can find a place to relax. Hello. Niaje? So this point here opens to a very beautiful scenery, and you see this is quite a sharp corner. Yeah. Wow, 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 wow. I've never seen these sites before, and this is a place where I live, and I don't know if I'm on the right lane. The angle at which these trucks are coming is not quite safe, so I will cross the road from here. You can see some Pears shop over here for the motorists. Let me cross the road here quite quick. Wow. Pity. Wow, wow, wow. Oh, guys. And the sun is let me see. Wow. Let me find a spot here, guys. These are curio shops along the road. You can see a hide like this one. You had seen it in the other video that I've done, guys. Wow. Jambo. Jambo. Any. Wow. So just keep on moving, guys. Some bit of solar floodlights here, maybe to light the place in the evening. A very beautiful shops here. You can see, guys. These are curio shops, and wow. Wow. Isn't it just amazing, guys? So this is where this is where the road would lead us ultimately. You can see some of these things you saw in my other video. Wow, and this is wow. Jambo baba. Jambo sana. Mimi naitwa Francis na ninapiga video za YouTube. Unafahamu YouTube? So nina promote hii area kama nimeshuka hivyo nikitembea. So unaweza nipea ruhusa niangalie hapa. So guys, I just asked for permission to view this beautiful curio shop here. And you can see, guys, some rating over there. It reads that the Great Rift Valley Photography Site. Yeah, this is the viewpoint. And your name is? Yeah. What is your name?
My name is Patrick Njoroge.
Patrick Njoroge. So guys, make sure when you are around, make sure to stop by. And this shop is just after you wind on that sharp corner there. You you'll see this poster here. So make sure you promote this man here. So let us see what he has. So Baba, unaweza to explain here, what do we have here?
For selling?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, one of these, the whole sketch now, that's the map of Africa.
This
Kenya
is
the rock.
Africa, okay.
Yes, and you open like that, and
Wow,
you do
wow,
like this.
wow, 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 okay.
And then you put the rock here. Different.
So it has all countries.
Yeah, all countries of Africa, yeah. Yes.
Awesome. And do you make these ones yourself or you buy?
No, me, I do buy then.
Oh, you buy and then you resell.
Yeah.
Yes, and like that one, how much does it cost?
Just that only 1,500 for that.
So that would be something like $15, all right?
Yeah.
$15 for that, yeah? US dollars.
Yeah.
Wow. And then you have like, this is a fridge and magnet.
Magnet,
Yeah, that you stick on a fridge.
Magnet.
Oh, and this one for Kenya.
Yeah.
So here, any tourist who is in Kenya can come over here and buy some stuff, some gifts.
Yeah. When they just come and promote their work. But you see now, the business is not very down there.
It's down.
We're very down, yeah.
For how long?
Usually from
The times of COVID-19.
Yeah.
It has not recovered.
It's not how recovered. Just 2 months.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, but it will be okay. As the times go, we hope. And this is a chessboard, yeah?
Yeah, that's a thing. Yeah.
Chessboard, and this one is a draft board. Yes.
Yeah, draft. Yeah.
How much do like this one cost for?
Just only 3.5. Yeah.
And is your price fixed?
I price the fixed. I can charge people just on
A discount?
A discount is for 2.5.
Yes.
I
Awesome. And the tourists who come over, do they like leave you some souvenirs? Do they give you souvenirs? The tourists, like the white men and ladies?
No, we don't do that.
You don't? But you accept in case they do?
Pens from the countries.
What pens?
Pens.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, that is awesome.
Some coins from the country.
Okay. And how long have you done this job?
This work?
Yeah, you've been here for how long?
About 40 years.
40 good years.
Yeah.
Awesome. And you've said your name is Patrick Njoroge. So thank you for hosting us in that brief interview. I'm walking all the way up to my mahiu, and then I see whether I can do longonot, and yeah. So happy to meet you, my friend. We'll talk next time. I'll see you next time, brother. Isn't it? Poa sana. Welcome. Is it your client? Sorry. So bye bye, daddy. We'll see you.